Hello, I'm here in the beach. There, this is Atereo, and this is Gwen. Yeah.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows? Only time. And who can say if your love grows as your heart shows? Only time. We gotta.
You haven't update me. Where are you? Where is your manager? I will fire you.
Baka no.
Why are you here? Where is your manager? Tell me where is your manager?
Abante ka na dito ng onte para kay.
Why are you here?
Uy, may ano siya. It's like, be careful. Okay.
Nobody can drag me. All my life you stood by me. No one else was ever behind me. All these lights, they can't blind me. With your love, nobody can drag me. All my life you stood by me. No one else was ever behind me.
Sabi ko, ayoko yung mga to. Pero yung may times na, ay,
The girl.
correct! Nakikita na yung pipi mo.
Oh, ang ganda oh. Ay, no man.
Diba?
Yay!
Thank you!
Thank you. Wait, make a wish. Okay na? 1, 2, 3. Yay! Huwag niyong paiyak eh. Okay na yan? Thank you. Who is that? Hello, say hello. Hello. Saya na Ate Rio.
Saya niya. Just let her have fun.
Yes, so cute.
She likes
I love her. Welcome to Philippines.
Welcome to Pangasinan.
Uwi ka mo, uwi na. Okay lang yan.
We should get paid, no?
Ganyan po sila tumae. Ayan.
Yan! Uy! Wag uy! Yo! Ganun thing! Uy! Yung isa! Yeah!
That thing, I'll show you off. Tonight I wanna show you off. Hey, what you got? A billion could never bought. Hey, we gonna party like it's 30 and 12 tonight. I wanna show you all the finer things in life. So just forget about the world we got tonight. I'm coming for ya, cause all I need is a beauty and a beat who can make my life complete.